Happy New Year! This is Tina Gale from the Scrap Room, and I am so excited to wish you a Happy New Year. I'm so thankful for all of you that are our subscribers and have been for a long time, and all of our new subscribers. So I hope if you're new that you will enjoy a look at this month's Flavor of the Month kits. Check out all the other kits available. There'll be some links down at the end of this video. And that you will join in on the challenges and all of the fun that we have over on the Facebook group and get to know all of your fellow subscribers. So with the new year, we have 4 new collections. This is our Flavors of the Month, as I said, so it includes 4 brand new collections. You receive cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments for each one of them. There are also add-ons available, so you can add more cardstock, more patterned paper, and more embellishments. So stay tuned to the end for those. This month, our 4 collections are The Great Outdoors from Doodlebug. It's this gorgeous collection here. It's playful, and it has a camping theme, but of course you can scrapbook anything with these. From Photoplay Paper, we have Notting Hill Bookstore, which is themed around reading and books, but it's a gorgeous collection. From Simple Stories, we have Hearth and Home, so it's all about home and your memories, your family, and your loved ones. Again, generic icons and stuff, so you can scrapbook anything that you want. And then the ever popular Vicki Boutin, we have the Fernwood collection. So I know there's going to be a lot of people really excited to get the Fernwood. With your Flavors of the Month, you receive a sample of gourmet coffee. So you can brew that up and sip on it when you unpack your boxes or when you create. Just enjoy a cup of coffee and dig in. Also, you'll have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts, and our design team creates them, and then they give you their cutting instructions and how they assemble it, and you'll get a full color photograph of the finished layout. So this is a great way to jump in with your kits and create right along with our talented design team. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is The Great Outdoors from Doodlebug Design. So you can see this gorgeous color scheme of the brown with the orange and the aqua and some dark blue on this yellow. There's just some beautiful colors. It's kind of fallish. We have acorns and leaves, but of course the mountains are full of those, so you can use it for any time of year. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. The patterned paper is this one called Wildflowers, and it has all the beautiful flowers and the little leaves. The back is a plaid in all of the colors that you're going to see in this collection. This paper called Camp Spots, which has the designs of the different papers from this collection in circles, and the back is a green plaid. Then we have this paper called Sleeping Bag, which is a super fun border strip. I always love these because you can cut them apart and just make it go really far. You could also use it like a half a page. So just do half green and half that. That's always a cute design. Or even half going this way. Choose the strips that tell your story and that you like. And this one has some great ones. Camper's Gonna Camp, Explore, Hoppy Day, Let the Adventures Begin. So you could pull out the camping themes or cooking out in the backyard, you know, anything like that. The back is a blue plaid. So again, very generic in that you could scrapbook anything. So if you don't want any of the camping themed icons, you can use these sides and also the flowers and the circles. For your embellishments, you're going to receive one of the Doodlebug doilies. You're going to receive a combination of the Chit Chat and Odds and Ends. So these are their die cut packs. So there are some that have phrases on little banners, you have icons, you have a large word for titles. You're also going to receive some of their enamel epoxy pieces, which they call these sprinkles, and they're always so adorable. So this is the one that I got. These will vary. I got the little squirrel and the bunny and the bird and a flower. So again, those embellishments will vary among the kits, but that gives you a good idea of what you'll be receiving. So that is the Great Outdoors from Doodlebug Design. The next collection we're going to look at is from Photoplay Paper, and this is Notting Hill Bookstore. So this theme is all around books and reading, some great icons, and some great, beautiful colors. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of navy cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Book Nerd. So you have the designs of the papers in this collection in the large circles. The back is this kind of a floral print in the red. It's just gorgeous. This one is called Currently Reading, and it has florals. And if you notice right here, all of these florals make up a butterfly. I thought that was so cute and pretty. The back is a green grid design. This one called Books I Love is a text print. So it has like the text of a book. It's like a story. Oh, we always bury ourselves in the country. You see, Father is exhausted. So it's just a story. I think that's cool. And I'm the type of person to sit and read that to see what they put. The back side is a plaid design in the green and the blue and red. So that's the colors for your collection. The back side. For your embellishments, you're going to receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border here that's the books and the vases. I love that. A small scalloped border in the stripes. Lots of little tabs and banners with phrases and words. Large words for titles that you could build. Don't forget to pull out some of your other supplies or supplies from some of the other collections and build titles with these. Super fun. I have the stack of books with the little kitty cat on it. Just adorable. Sleep is good. Books are better. So that is Notting Hill Bookstore from Photoplay Paper. This collection from Simple Stories is called Hearth and Home. So it is kind of geared around documenting your home, but I absolutely love the colors in this collection. It is just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Thunder cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Home at Last, which is the large floral. The back is a black and white floral design. This one is called Keep It Simple, and it's a lemon print on that yellow and a black and white check on the back. I love the check and the yellow together. This one called Kitchen Rules. This is a great background paper. So it has a scene set up, the shelf in the kitchen with your mixer, your salt and pepper, vases, a scale, your colander, just gorgeous little scene down here. So you could just put your photos up here and a few little embellishments, your title, and call it good. The back is a gray stripe, and it's like a stitch. So that's fun. Very home-like. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a sixth pack of the foam stickers. So these will vary, but I got some titles and some little hearts. You're also going to receive a mixture of the bits and pieces and journal bits. So you'll get a little bit of each. So I have this journal card here, some icons, and then some words and labels here. You're also going to get some enamel dots. So all of these embellishments will vary. Those are the ones that I received. That is Hearth and Home from Simple Stories. Last but certainly not least is Fernwood from Vicki Booten. I know many are going to be really excited to see this collection in their kit. I know I was. It's just gorgeous, and her kits or her collections are just so versatile in what you can document and what you can do with them. And if you haven't checked out her YouTube channel and her Facebook page, be sure to check that out. Lots of ideas to use for products. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock. Pattern paper, this one called Simple Pleasures, which has a mixed media, kind of the smushing technique on this off-white background. There's text in the back. Just gorgeous. And the back is a striped design in all of the colors, which most of her collections are kind of the rainbow, so you can pull out any colors you want to work with. This one, called Full Circle, is kind of a mixed media again, with text and then print color down here. Some have just the backgrounds. So usually these are like her mixed media backgrounds that she does, and then she cuts them apart and puts them back together. So she does all of the work for you. The back is a pink polka dot. These do have full branding strips of the patterns from the opposite side, so you can use those as well. This one is called Wonderful Things, and it has the script on a mixed media background. And the back is this gorgeous chevron design in the blue to the green. Just gorgeous. And of course it has the paint splatters up here and kind of like the bubble wrap paint put on. So just beautiful. So one more look at the patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get quite the array of embellishments. You're going to get one of the layered stickers. So that one's here. It's already pop dotted up, has a little cardstock piece. And then it also has this vellum butterfly sewn on, and it's actually stitched right there. So you can pop that up, and it's just beautiful. See how gorgeous that is just on top of there? You're also going to receive some of the chipboard thickers. So this is about 1/6 of a pack. So these vary, of course. I got the little gnome and some tabs, little border. And then you're also going to receive about 1/6 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So I have the little clipboard with the note paper. Some of these are vellum, so like this here, Out Here Exploring tag is vellum, and this one, Bring Your Own Sunshine. So again, just gorgeous. So that is Fernwood from Vicki Booten. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all the other add-ons available to make this kit go further. I'll have links here at the end, as well as our Shots of Life kit, which is geared towards our pocket page scrapbooking, but it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month, so it's a perfect way to add pattern paper and embellishments to your Flavors of the Month as well. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with your kits this new year.